We also have another character, another person, Saint Lazarus. We don't hear anything about him much. We only know that he is there. But he also teaches us a lot of things. Lazarus reminds us that it is okay to be in the background and support others in their journey of faith. We don't see him doing anything. Maybe the evangelist never recorded anything about him, but he is quiet person, always there, being with her sisters and guiding them. And that is what he teaches us. My dear friends, as we are reflecting on these three persons and as we are celebrating their feast, let us take these aspects of theirs in our life also. And as we are in the Novena to Saint Ignatius of Loyola, we see that in his life too. Today's theme also invites us to reflect on that. He became a beacon of hope, or lighthouse of hope to others, all the family. And when he was in Loyola, after his conversion, he had come back to Loyola. We see he doesn't go back to his house. On the contrary, he goes to some hospice, and then from there he is of service to others. At the same time, he speaks about the things of God to others, preaching to them and bringing peace and harmony and bringing joy to the people whom he comes in contact with. Today, as we are reflecting on these readings, on this feast and on the Novena, let us ask the Lord to give us the grace to be trusting in the Lord like Saint Martha, to be listening to him like Saint Mary, and to be a simple and humble person like Saint Lazarus.